Do you want to summon mobs by gaining EXP? And I am the guy here for you. Because if you want to become like an evoker, summoning mobs this will be very easy and simple. I will guide you all the way. Okay, for the first command, you are gonna be wanting to type in game rule. Sorry for mistyping. Command block output, and then you see false. This will make all the chat spam whenever you use this go away. Now you have to type scoreboard, objectives, add, and then you do your name. And I'm going to make mine summon charge. And make sure to put a slash before that. And then you do the dummy type. It will say that you did it, and then you also do this command. You click scoreboard, objectives, then you type in set display, then you type in sidebar, and then you write your objective name. For mine is summon charge, so I'm going to make mine display sidebar summon charge. Now you can see it displays on the right hand side of my screen. First, you type in this command with the repeating command block. Unconditional always active, type TEP at eType equal EXP orb. This will teleport every EXP orb to you whenever anything drops any. Okay, and now you're gonna place a comparator facing outward, and then use impulse unconditional read needs redstone, scoreboard players add P summon charge, which is my objective name, 1. This will add 1 to whenever the EXP teleports to you. And now, you're going to use the chain block above here. Scoreboard, players test these, and then your objective name, 10. Chain unconditional always active. This will be followed by the repeating command block, and it will keep checking if you have the range of 10. 10 is optional. You can use like any number you want here, but I use 10 so that whenever you gain EXP 10 times, it will activate our summoning, and then you get comparator, a repeater, redstone, and then impulse unconditional needs redstone command block, scoreboard players set P summon charge 0. Delay in ticks 100. This will delay every time you summon something. It will set your score back to 0 so that you can summon again. Impulse unconditional needs redstone. Execute if score P summon charge matches 10. Run play animation P animation evoker casting, and then any letter you want, and then 5, because it's going to play the animation of the evoker spell for 5 seconds. You go to this command block here, chain unconditional always active, delay in ticks 0, place sound mob.evocation underscore illager dot prepare underscore summon P tilde space tilde space tilde 1 space 1. And then this effect P resistance 5 for effects resistance 4 for 5 seconds, and this one the slowness 4 for 5 seconds. And before we get to this command block, I'm going to show you how this command block works. This is a structure command block, and it will run a structure command that will load a certain structure. So I want to summon in an iron golem whenever I gain 10 EXP. So then I get it, set the size to XYZ for 1, name the structure, and then save it. And then I click remove blocks, include entities. Do not change any of the save in memory or show bounding box settings. You save the structure, and then this will be the mob you're going to be summoning using the structure commands. This chain unconditional always active, execute add p, run structured load, and then the structure name you chose, tilde, to, tilde, tilde. And to explain what the command block means is that it will load the structure that you saved using your structure block, and then the first tilde is the x coordinate, the second tilde represents the y coordinate, and the third tilde represents the z coordinate. And this is very important to know to spawn the structure and the area you want it to, because if you put the 2 at the middle tilde, it will spawn above you, and if you put it at this one, it will spawn at like your left, something like that. And now that is it for these command blocks. I'll show you them in action. And now let me just, what is going on with these witches? What? Okay, let me just kill them and get my EXP done. And now the numbers are going to go up like that. You can see this in the chat. And like I said earlier in the video, set that command rule to false so that you don't get some much chat spam. And this is the 9th one. And 9th. And now I will summon my 10th witch and kill it. Now as you can see, the commands activate when I kill the witches, and now the iron golem will be summoned. Oh, look, there it is. And that is all you need to do to get and become an evoker using EXP. See you in the next one, guys.